Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to take you to a very happening place in UAE, very famous these days among the families. It's called UAE Pygmy Zoo, and as the name suggests, there will be animals which are unusually short in height compared to their normal breeds. Let's get the tickets. The tickets are for 15 dirhams. And weekends are usually crowded, as you can see a lot of families around. We started our trip with horse riding. There's a counter where you can buy tickets for horse riding, camel riding, or a pony ride. And you can also buy food for the animals. While waiting for our turn, we started with feeding some of the horses there. Let's go in the queue. Some horses are outside taking the rounds, and others are resting. You can buy a bunch of these green leaves for a nominal price of 5 dirhams, which you can feed to these animals during this trip. That's his first experience of riding a horse, and he's excited as well as scared a bit.
Another food?
Where?
See there? Here. Up. Why you scared?
I don't know.
You go slow, slow, okay?
Yeah. Enjoy. Make some noise. Enjoy.
No!
और इतना प्यारा हॉर्स है आपका.
This ride costs 10 dirhams, and they give 2 rounds of this area. You can choose the animal, either horse, camel, or the pony. How was it? Did you enjoy? It wasn't scary, right?
No, it was fun, but it was scary when we went to the deep sand part. Wow, there are so many ostriches, and there is little cute turkey. Wow, look at this beautiful ostrich slowly coming towards us. I was of the impression that ostriches are aggressive birds, but I found them very friendly. We offered him food which was not his favorite, it seems. Wow, this is an Arabian oryx. It's the national animal of UAE and many other Gulf countries. And here comes a pygmy sheep.
We found many pygmy animals in this zoo, as the name suggests, and this was one of them.
की वो कौन है जो ऊपर है? Daddy, why are they looking at me so seriously? كده حاجة بلايكة. कैसे walk कर रहे हैं? يا جماعة فيها كده حاجة بلايكة. देखो से किया ना. كده حاجة بلايكة. صغير. صغير.
आओ इधर आओ
मैं खिलाऊं.
हाँ, इसमें से खिलाओ इसे
दिखाएं.
पीछे पीछे होके बनाओ हाँ इसकी नजर मत डरना नहीं इससे
كده حاجة بلايكة. किसी से नहीं डरता.
अबे नीचे उतरो
हम मुझे भी दे देंगे.
आगे
मुझे और दे दे.
Falcon is UAE's national bird. Here we can hold and take a picture for a price of 10 dirhams. This zoo is also home of giant parakeets and absolutely gorgeous Australian macaws. We can interact with these beautiful birds, feed them, and this is also a great opportunity to take some Insta-worthy photos with their vibrant colors. You are allowed to hold them on your hands and shoulders and take some beautiful photos.
टच करना है आराम से प्यार से टच करो
हमको दर्द हो रही है.
उसमें क्या लगा थे
हमको दर्द हो रही है. देखा ये बहुत डेंजरस होती है. सब मखाना के पास भी है. ओके फिनिश. मैं बस यस मैं फिर करूंगा.
मास्क की मतलब
डरना नहीं भाई. खाना खा.
देखो इधर आप डैब भी कर सकते हो
बबन मैं ये फाइट वाला कह रहा था पर वो बहुत बिग था.
इधर आ जाओ वाला भी हां तुम्हारा आइटम यार
We also found these gorgeous golden pheasants, quite commonly known as surkhab. These are very famous in Urdu proverb, surkhab ke par. One important attraction for kids in this zoo is a play area. After roaming around looking at different animals and birds, they wanted to have a bit of fun in their own way. There's also an outdoor mini theater. In the evening, they play animated movies. You can grab some food from the stalls around this place and relax with your kids for some time.
Hey, Sleeping Beauty, you deadly vulture. Hello, Professor. How are you? Why are you looking at me like that?
Surprisingly, they had a lot of varieties of hen. You can see the black ones, pygmy.
Oh, strike sola. इनको चिकन फाइट वाला तो मैं फर्स्ट टाइम देख रही कौन है ये भी
They don't chicken, you don't eat grass.
These are the common domestic hen we raise back home for eggs and for meat. We have no clue about the name of these animals. Probably some kind of squirrels. Please, if you know, do mention in comments and let us know.
Wow, beautiful rabbit. Please, एक rabbit लेके जा सकते हैं घर? Please. Oh, cute वाला. क्या?
इसके ऊपर गिर जाओगे नीचे उतर
The best part comes at the end. They hand over one rabbit for kids to play and adore this silky smooth little rabbit.
उसकी आईज बंद हो गई लगता है उसको नींद आ रही है
आप इसको
मैं उठाऊं ना
प्यार करे से
तेरा तो आईज नहीं ओपन कर रहा मुझे इसकी हेयर स्टाइल में अब वो खींचते जा रहे हैं इससे होता है तो पड़ता है
food, eh?
Excuse me. knock knock. इसके ऊपर देखो मेरे चले गए पकड़ने.
So finally we are at the end of this fun-filled trip. Hope you have liked our video. Please do let us know in comments and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting travel vlogs and cooking recipes. Thank you.